Explore the biography of the famous person in minutes. Michael Jordan. Early life and high school. Michael Jordan, born on February 17, 1963, in Brooklyn, New York, is one of the greatest basketball players ever. He grew up in Wilmington, North Carolina, where he became very competitive, thanks to his family, especially his father, who introduced him to baseball and basketball. In high school, he was initially cut from the varsity basketball team but later became a star player. College career. He went to the University of North Carolina in 1981, where he played under Coach Dean Smith. He gained fame in 1982 when he scored the winning shot in the NCAA championship game against Georgetown. He was named NCAA College Player of the Year in 1983 and 1984 before joining the NBA. NBA success. Jordan was drafted by the Chicago Bulls as the third pick in 1984. He made an immediate impact, winning the NBA Rookie of the Year award. He was known for his scoring, athleticism, and competitiveness. Over his career, he led the Bulls to 6 NBA championships, 1991 to 1993, 1996 to 1998, and won 5 regular season MVP awards. His first retirement came in 1993 after his father's tragic murder. He then played baseball for a minor league team. He returned to basketball in 1995, leading the Bulls to a record 72 wins in the 1995-96 season and winning his 4th NBA title. He retired again in 1999 but came back to play for the Washington Wizards from 2001 to 2003. Business ventures and philanthropy. Outside of basketball, Jordan is a successful businessman. He signed a big deal with Nike in 1984, which led to the creation of the Air Jordan sneaker line that has made billions. He also became the majority owner of the Charlotte Hornets in 2010 and recently sold the team in 2023 for about $3 billion. Jordan is known for his charitable work, hosting a celebrity golf event that helps various charities and donating $10 million to the Make-A-Wish Foundation. He was married to Juanita Vanoy, with whom he has 3 children, and later married Yvette Prieto, with whom he has twin daughters. Jordan has also appeared in popular culture, including the movie Space Jam and the documentary, The Last Dance. His influence continues to inspire many athletes and fans around the world.
Congratulations on finishing this section. To improve your English, it is crucial to persistently practice. Finally, we would be most grateful if you could kindly subscribe, like, and share our channel in order to remain well informed and up to date.